from Zimbabwe. My name is Dhananjay. I'm here by son Thamsanqa Mudimba. He's a heart patient. He had got 4 milliliters SVT in the heart, and now they've already corrected it. The problem is that there in Zimbabwe there are no facilities for the heart surgery, and the treatment is not all that perfect. That's why I came here to India. The doctor said the op for Thamsanqa is very risky just because the lungs were full, so they can't do the operation because it's too risky. The op was 20% of liveness and deadness. So at first they did the catheterization to calculate whether they would do the operation or not. So they took the child to the theater for catheterization, but it was okay. They proceeded with the operation. Then after I op, they said everything was perfect. That gas which was inside, it was no longer there. So I don't know what happened. Maybe it's God's miracles. Then the op was very perfect, 100% perfect. The service were very good, very good. They treated us well. Everything was perfect, and the doctors also the nurses, everything was perfect. My stay in India was very perfect, wonderful. I wish I could stay here in India. What I want to tell the public is that if you've got a child or a daughter who has got a heart problem, don't hesitate to take your child to India. They make perfect treatment, and their operations, they are very perfect. Don't hesitate to come here. It's a place where you get healed so fast.